I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 238 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you, live from our balcony on the Carnival Miracle. That's the view. Staring at the camera. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can we get sugar-free JellO at the Lido buffet? I can no longer bring a bottle of wine per adult? When it comes to tipping, why is it automatically added on the cruise? Platinum cruisers get a cookie tray? And can we get the Pixel Studio on all boats, please?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to see if they can add sugar-free JellO at the buffet for each meal. They would also like to see low-carb, unbreaded meat like chicken breast or steak on the Diamond Lunch menu, along with a sugar-free option. They are a struggling type 2 diabetic who makes better choices when they have more options. John said, did you know they do have sugar-free desserts and sugar-free ice cream available every night in the dining room? And he said he'll see what he can do about the JellO. That said, Diamond Lunch is an absolute luxury. I understand that. But they can't cater to everybody every time. So if they don't have stuff that you like there, you may have to skip the Diamond Lunch to get the stuff you need. I don't know. That's just me. Question two. This cruiser saw that someone had posted for an upcoming cruise that you can't bring a bottle of wine per adult anymore. And they wanted to know if this was actually true. John said, no, it's 100% completely false. Anybody in the cabin, 21 or over, can still bring one bottle of wine for the cruise. It does not change with the duration of the cruise. So if it's a 14-day cruise, one bottle. 7-day cruise, one bottle. All it is. Some of the European cruises, though, you can actually bring a bottle of wine back from port. That's interesting. But totally false. Don't believe everything you read on the internet. You can absolutely still bring a bottle of wine per person over 21 per cabin. This is a controversial one. This cruiser still doesn't understand the tipping culture, and I've read so many comments about it that it gets confusing. They wanted to know if it is an option to add the tips to your booking, then why is it automatically added on during the cruise? John said it is an option to prepay your gratuities. And if you do it there on your booking, there is no further gratuities added. If you don't prepay your gratuities, then yes, the gratuities are automatically added on. A lot of cruise lines the tips are mandatory. With Carnival, it's still optional, which I'm not sure, 100% sure I agree with. Because you go out there the last night of the cruise, go to guest service, and you see so many people removing their tips. That's what helps the crew. They get a base salary, but tipping, just like in any service industry, is really what helps supplement their income. So it'd be nice if they just made it mandatory like the other cruise lines. Tell us what you think. Put it in the comments below. And do you think it should be mandatory for the cruises or should still be optional? Question 4. This cruiser had heard that platinum cruisers get a cookie tray and wanted to know, is that true? Because they love cookies. John said, yes, whenever you're ready for it, just call room service at 8,000 and let them know you're ready for your platinum delight, and they will send a plate of something special for you. That's it. This is only true until they changed their program September 1. So if you're going on a cruise, get your free cookies or your, where do they go? Sweet delight. Get your plate. You do have to call it. They don't bring it up instantly, but they will absolutely drop it off. So if you like cookies and you're platinum or above, call 8,000. You'll get your cookies. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Last question. This cruiser asked if all the ships will eventually get the Pixel Studio like on the Venezia, where you can view it on the screen. John said not every ship has this, but it is on a lot of ships. Some of the ships don't have the ability to add them. We're on the Miracle right now, and there is no digital nothing. I mean, the photos are digital, but they're actually printed out. So you don't have the option for a USB card, anything like that. You have to buy the digital prints because they just simply don't have the room to add it to that ship. So there you go. That's been episode 238 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.